Hello everyone, Jintesh John here. How is it possible to learn a new language in 30 days? No, I am not kidding, but you can learn any new language by continuously interacting with native speakers. Let's take Malayalam as an example. If you start to learn Malayalam through books, you will take a lot of months to understand the language, and surely you will make tons of mistakes while you speak. In the other hand, if you start learning through videos, surely you will learn a lot of unnecessary words and stuff which has no use in the real life conversations. That's why we have created our brand new platform Jintesh Language for you to learn any new language. The things are quite easy. You will be redirected to a personal coach after you join. Your personal coach or trainer will take care of you and will guide you to learn grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation, and also the guide will talk you over phone 30 minutes in 6 days a week, 26 days in a month. This coaching will make or create miraculous changes in your fluency, pronunciation and confidence. And we have excluded all the unnecessary stuff and included all the necessary one. So do you think that it is the right platform to learn the new language you wish for? Join us today. If you have any doubts, call me 9544616933. Our endeavor is to ensure that the students who study through our platform receive all the necessary inputs to improve their fluency, pronunciation and vocabularies. Thank you.